If you are listening to this, hey, I'm Sucks at Art. And if you're not, you're just like me, watching tutorials. So I decided to make a video the way that I like to watch tutorials, which is usually on mute on 2 times speed. As you can see, or as you read, maybe, or tried to read my new spicy ADHD list. I'm terrible at them. Uh, I l- the supplies are listed. Also, sidebar, my husband just brought in my dinner. Yes, he cooks me dinner and I can smell it. And so this is going to be a one take hot take because girls got to eat. Anyway, all the colors are listed. If you were confused, Amsterdam is AM, Arteza, Pebeo, those are all of the colors I used. I did a split base here. You could probably have fun with your base colors. You could use this as inspiration for the shape of the art. Or you can watch it and be like, girl sucks, just like me. And my suckiness will give you inspiration to stop the doom scroll and actually paint. So my paint is pretty thin. Um, I like to be able to move the paint. I don't like it when the paint doesn't move when I hit it with the blow dryer. Does anyone feel my pain? Anyway, I'm doing some branchies. Sometimes I think that if I do little lines off the branchies, it makes a difference. I don't freaking know if it makes a difference. I like to think it does. A little later, you can see that I put little dots in there of the base colors. Oh, here I go, those dots. Because in my head, it makes a difference. And if it makes a difference in my head, it probably made a difference. Um, anyway, I like this size canvas. You can do a lot, but then again, I hate this size canvas because you can't really do a lot. Oh, go ahead, add some more white for the little branchies. So the order I listed in the beginning, on the colors and shit page, those are all the order of the colors. And at the end, I just went in and I did some base to put some of the dark base on the light color side and so on. See, I just think that I just don't know why I mess with it because there is nothing like a good blow. I hope that you all can watch back your work. And even if it's after you've totally screwed it up because of too many finger swirls and futzes and whatever, that initial blow, hot damn. Anyway, for the next 45 seconds or so, I'm just going to be finger swiping this painting to death. But I ended up loving this painting. I named it The Sky Learned to Dance. I don't know why, but it feels like the sky just opened up and it just started dancing, baby. Anyway, if you actually listen to this with your sound on, thanks. Hope gave you a smile, maybe. My problem always has been I paint doom scroll. I just doom scroll and I never paint. And so I'm hoping that a simplified video that doesn't have all the fancy things and all of the big time followers will give some inspiration to the newbies like me. And here's my painting on a fake wall that I found on Canva. And I hope you subscribe. I hope we can be friends and make bad art, make weird art, just make the damn art, okay? Oh my God, quick shout out to my husband. This food is so good.